September of 2025, I got the amazing opportunity to work as an assistant hunting guide in the remote wilderness of the Yukon with Rogue River Outfitters. This company is owned by the legendary Jim Shockey. The days were very long, the work at times was difficult, but I wouldn't trade the experience for anything. I hope you enjoy the video. Well, here I am at camp, and I get to sleep in the snowmobile shed. We had to take one out, but this is kind of for overflow, I guess. Bunks are a bit narrow, but got some nice foamies. So I'm pretty stoked about that.
All I could see was his antlers and his nose.
I couldn't see
They
anything.
held underneath it.
Yeah,
That's all I could see.
yeah. That was awesome.
Nice shot.
Yeah, right down.
I might have hit him in the nose.
Did you?
That's all I could see.
Oh yeah, you definitely did look at his eye. Oh yeah.
Holy cow.
That's a nice caribou. Shit.
He's huge.
I can't believe that worked. That's insane. I can't believe that worked as well as it did.
Look at that. Look at the fat. Look at the fat on that. This is a pre-rut moose. It's absolutely the best eating of all of them. And I'm going to keep all the fat. I love fat. Underneath his chin.
He just went straight down. I don't see him. He didn't get back up.
Okay, let's get closer. Holy cow. That. He's big.
He's really big.
He's really big. He's gorgeous. He is absolutely beautiful. We've gone after this bull twice now. 2 different days, and he's given us the slip. He's got supernatural luck, but supernatural luck can only change one direction. Down for him, up for us. We've spotted that bull for the 3rd time. There's going to be a lot of work to get over there, and still a pretty good gamble. Killed by Hornady.
I fucking rolled the Argo. Fucking sent me into the woods.
Let's try and do this quick so all that gas doesn't dump out.
We just got back to our camp that we made a few days ago, and a bear just destroyed it. Destroyed our tent. Got into my clothing bag.
Looks like fucking bear whack.
Fucking tore my thermarest up.
Shit, like literally still warm, fresh shit here. So he was literally here. We spooked him away. He destroyed everything here.
We left some sausages. We can't camp here tonight, so we gotta go a couple hours back to our other cabin.
Feel it moving a bit.
Yeah.